Hi, I'm Bill Parrish with the Community of Registered Tax Return Preparers, CRTRP.com. And I have with me today Jennifer Haworth. Jennifer is a Vice President of APlusCPE. It's a company that I recently became familiar with. I'm terribly impressed by them, and I want to later on share some things about this company with you. But we're here today to talk casually and just briefly in summary form about when to start studying to become a registered tax return preparer. You and I have an exam that we have to pass. And you know, if you're like I am, you're nervous about having to take this silly exam because we want to pass it the first time. We don't want to come back and spend more money taking it again. But you and I haven't taken an exam for a long time. Now, there are a lot of courses already being sold, being advertised about how to pass this exam. I'm sure they're good courses. I'm sure they teach us how to prepare a tax return. But I don't think you and I need to learn how to prepare a tax return. We need to learn how to pass this crazy exam. And that's the reason that I think right now it's premature to be purchasing any program, any study material that will help you and I pass the exam, because the IRS so far has not released the content of the exam. Today, July 27th, 2011, we're told the questions have not even begun to be written yet. So how could anyone have study material that would guarantee us to pass that exam without us overstudying? I, for one, am going to wait until the IRS releases the content of the exam. At that time, I'll know what to study. But if you're someone who wants to study in the meantime, then there are two suggestions I'm going to have for you. The first is Pub 17, IRS Pub 17, your federal taxes. That is what the exam is going to be centered around, is the information in that pub. In fact, when you take the exam, there will be two documents that will be available to you in the computer system, or so I'm told now. And remember that I'm Bill Parrish. I'm not from the IRS. I'm here to help you. So I'm giving you my opinion. But we're being told, again, that Pub 17 will be available to us electronically as you and I take this exam. So if I wanted to be studying anything right now, I'd be studying Pub 17. And after all, it's free. We don't have to buy anything to study that. The second thing that will be available to us for the exam will be the instructions for Form 1040. That's what we're being told the format of the exam should be all about, that anything in the exam will be covered in the instructions or Pub 17. So if I wanted to study now, that's what I would be studying. Now, if you're a real study-aholic and you have nothing to do this time of year, then what I would suggest you do if you want to do more is go to the IRS website, www.irs.gov, and take a look at the VITA area of the website, the VITA, Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. Go to their study material. They have terrific study material, and study their training manuals and their training area of the website for the advanced section for VITA volunteers. Again, it's free. It has study material. It has questions you can take and gauge to see how you're doing, and it's free. But Jennifer, I've been ignoring you and not on purpose. Again, Jennifer Haworth, Vice President with APlusCPE, because they're actually developing a course for the Registered Tax Return Preparer Examination on how to pass the exam. Their course is all but complete. In fact, today's Wednesday. On Friday this week, the course should be complete in its totality. However, they're not releasing that yet, and you can tell us why and what your plans are as to when you'll be releasing this and what you're telling people that are coming up to you and asking you about your exam.
Sure. Well, thank you, Bill. I appreciate the introduction. Again, I'm with APlusCPE, and we are going to be providing an RTRP exam prep course, and our course will be online. But one thing that will be different about our course than anybody else's will be that it will be written to only cover what is necessary for you to study to pass the exam. We are purposefully waiting to release our course until the exam content outline is available from the IRS so that we know that the content that we're going to give you is only what you need to know to pass the exam. And that's important for you because you're not going to be spending as much time studying our material as you may be studying other courses that are already out there today. So that was a choice that we made as a business decision within our company, and we think that it is an important choice. And so when you're looking for an RTRP exam prep course, it should be something that you take into consideration. The other thing is that our course will be delivered online. We have really unique features with our course, so if you're scared about an online course, don't be. Our course is delivered on a platform that has been used for many other professions, which our parent company, WebCE, also provides: insurance, funeral directors, and other professions. So it's tested, it's tried, and it really works. There'll be practice questions, there'll be mastery exams at the end of the course. So I really do think that it's going to give you everything you need to be very prepared for this exam, and we stand behind it, and we're really looking forward to being a part of this industry.
And Jennifer, maybe the best news, what will your course cost once it's available?
Well, that is probably the best news, and we plan to release the course at $99.95. Although right now, through August 31st of 2011, you can actually go out to our website, which is APlusCPE.com, and pre-order the course for just $10. And when the course is available, you'll pay just an additional $59.95 for a total of $69.95 for the exam prep course. It's not, we're not looking to make a lot of money on the course. We want you to really be prepared for it. We really want to make a difference in this industry.
And they will make a difference in this industry. Last year alone, they provided over 3 million hours of continuing professional education to various professions. 3 million hours is a lot of CE. They are the leading provider to other industries. They have entered our industry, your industry and my industry, and they will be the leading provider very shortly of this industry as well. So we hope this has helped you in your dilemma as to what to do about this crazy exam that you and I will have to take. I simply want to close by saying good luck. Don't be afraid of the exam. Remember, the IRS actually wants both you and I to pass this exam because they believe they need all of the preparers out there to continue to serve the public. They want to draw us under Circular 230, but they're going to tighten up the criteria for those entering our profession moving forward. So again, good luck as you study and good luck as you pass this exam.